Alright guys, this is it. The brand new iPad Pro. And I've got to say, this thing is sleek. I want to give you a look at what I think are the 5 best new features. So let's get going. First off is the design of this thing. At 5.9 millimeters thin, it's thinner than any iPhone Apple has ever released, which is ridiculous. To fit the camera, you do have quite the camera bump on the back, but that won't bother most people. The second thing, and what's maybe more impressive than the thinness, is the fact that Apple managed to cram so much performance into this thing. I mean, if you haven't already heard, the new iPad is a powerhouse. Now, the lack of Pro apps to take advantage of the iPad's power has always been a complaint, and that complaint is still valid, but Apple has partnered up with Adobe recently, and they are planning to change that. Full Photoshop is coming to the iPads next year, and Adobe has recently put out some fantastic apps for the iPad, like Lightroom and Premiere Rush, which I think is hands down the best video editor for the iPad. I've been using it a lot lately, and it helps justify the high price of the new iPads to a degree. Third is the new Apple Pencil, and primarily the way it's stored and charges. The two complaints everybody had with the last Pencil was the entirely awkward way you had to charge it, and the fact there was nowhere to store it. Apple killed 2 birds with 1 stone this year with the strong magnetic attachment on the side of the new iPads. The Pencil connects with a satisfying click and charges at the same time. 4 and 5 both have to do with the new smart keyboard Folio. Finally, Apple has a keyboard for the iPads that protects both the front and the back of the device. This has always bothered me. And last, the new keyboard finally has more than one viewing angle. I would prefer infinite options like on Microsoft's Surface, but hey, 2 is better than 1. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the new iPad Pro. Stay locked right here to iDrop News for more coverage, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.